Holy moly. Ooh, it is really warm inside. We're running our propane heater. And yikes, and then I come out here and it's just... this turkey has gotten absolutely huge. And I don't know if I can... There it is. His snood has grown over the end of his beak. And everybody's going nuts because we don't sit out here like we do in the summertime. And Bob went to go get some shavings because we got to get some of those down because that is just nothing but an absolute mud mess right there. Maybe we should bring that up further all the way. That.
Why?
Well, it'll cut down on the mud because if you notice where that's at, it's not a muddy mess. Looks like the tarp blew back over there. Huh?
It's all dry.
Yeah, but they hang right here. Look at him. Make him unpuff real quick.
Hey, Romeo.
Romeo?
Yeah, Romeo.
There they go. They're going to start spreading it around. Yeah, I don't want them standing in mud all the time. And they stand right here all the time. So even if it's just a few hours that they get to have something dry.
I understand what you're saying. Explain that to the birds.
Huh? Did you just tell me to explain that to the birds?
Yeah.
I think you need to get out more. They're trying to dig out there. Just put a
No,
big...
they're trying to get to the grass.
Well, then maybe you should pick them a little bit today. I would get down there and pick them a whole bunch, but I would lose my breath. It helps cut down on the smell in there too. Having some new shavings put down.
Oh, yeah. It smells like pine over there.
Wow. Jerry, do not do that. It's wet all the way back in there, isn't it?
Hey,
Yeah, we might have to put 2 bales down.
hey, better move.
That was hilarious. Chickens, quit. Guineas, quit. Jerry, quit. Tom, gobble again. That was hilarious. Bob, over here in the front too, a lot. Yeah.
Give me a chance to get it down.
Okay.
Where do you start? Fine.
Guinea, you need to get kicked. Really, you do.
have this all spread out in no time.
Yeah. But I just, just so, even if it's just for a few hours, and up there in the front there, they can't kick that out. It's not going to go anywhere.
Walter. What are you doing, Walter?
Holy moly. Oh, no. That's when Tom will gobble at her. It's hilarious. But I mean, seriously, there's some grass right there that you could pick them. It's nice and lush looking.
I look like I'm into picking grass right now.
Well, they want some.
No, they don't. They're going to get worms. The larva.
They got to have some green.
Put a cabbage out for them. Give me a minute. Hey.
Jerry, leave it there. Walter. Now you're all turning red. Brr. You're getting the cabbage. And it is cold out here, but I like it better than inside. Now he turned red. He was white. Look at him. They're like, what do you got? Did you give him the zucchini already? They can have zucchini tomorrow or the next day. Brr.
Watch this.
Hang on. Okay. See if they do it again. Might have to put it down a little bit.
No, I don't.
Okay, don't tease them. And stand there so the guineas don't chase them off. Wow! You might need to get them a little can of scratch so that they all have something.
Boy, they just go nuts on them.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, why don't we just get them some scratch? That'll be better for them. They still could use...
Had scratch an hour and a half ago.
Yeah, they could use some more, though.
No, they can't.
You're gonna make it to where they're mean because they're hungry.
They're not hungry. They got a tray full of food right there.
Walter. Do you always do that every day with that?
Yeah.
And that's the turkey and guinea game bird feed, right?
Yeah.
Jerry, you be nice to that chicken. Yeah, you. Hi, Walter. Guineas. You can't even fit through there, Tom. You're ridiculous. Oh, I didn't even get him a full can of it or anything. Chick, 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 chick.
Out the finger. Why are you going for the fingers today? Huh?
Are there any eggs you could grab?
Not right now.
Try, see.
I'm sure there's 1 or 2 in there, right? Maybe 3 or 4.
Maybe more.
Well, I see 3, 4, 5, 6.
Walter. Do they lay on the other end?
They lay everywhere in there. Wherever,
Oh, ooh. What a rush.
what a rush.
You got a turkey trying to eat your finger. Pick her up. Can you make him unpuff?
I can make her lay down.
You can?
What do you think she's doing right now?
Oh, that's hilarious. What are you, like, hypnotizing a turkey? That's funny. That's kind of cool, Bob.
Oh, you're looking so cute. You are.
What did you do? You did something to that turkey. You broke her.
Oh, I did.
She's not getting up.
Took it up.
Now look at him. Oh, no. Don't do that.
Here.
This is a G-rated YouTube channel. Oh, wow. Those are pink. Duh. How many is that? 6?
Oh, there's more than 6. There's 2, let's see. 9.
9? Yeah, see, it was time to check him. Chickens, don't kick that all the way. Wow. Hey, it's Olive, the other reindeer. Tom, you just gonna walk around like that like all day long, or what? What's the deal? Walter! Chickens, run and go get you some cabbage, quick. There you go. Now here comes the guineas. Oh, this is not cool. Brr. Is that how you keep warm, Tom? Well, tell him, Rose. Tell him. Tell him you just want a little nibble of him. Here comes Tom. He thinks that Rose is trying to get at Jerry. These guineas are mean. But I'm not going to just turn them out and let them go forage because they would get eaten by something. And I'm not going to do that. Besides that, I think guinea eggs are like really comparable to chicken eggs. I was watching Martha Stewart special like on YouTube the other night. And she was making a frittata and it needed 18 eggs. And she used chicken and guinea eggs in there. So I'm kind of anxious to see those. And I'm definitely going to use them. I guess you can use these guys as eggs too. Turkeys start laying at around 7 months of age, which let's see, I'm going to say these guys were probably hatched in, oh gosh, I don't even know, April perhaps. So she's probably coming up on the age where she can lay eggs. But and you can eat them, but I just don't think I'm going to do that. We may have to divide this run a little bit to keep her separate so she can sit on a clutch of eggs, because we do want her to hatch out some baby turkeys. These guys are midget whites, and they are a rare heritage breed, and that's about as big as he's going to get. They don't get very big. They are less than 20 pounds. And like his snoot will grow some more, but he's not going to get much bigger than this. And turkeys, I know people say that they're really dumb birds. And maybe they aren't the smartest. I'm not going to say that they are, but they're like having a couple of puppy dogs. The way that they follow you around, they're just really cool. And we didn't want turkeys, and these were given to us. And as they've grown and we've seen their personalities come out, there's no way we could butcher these guys and eat them. There is just no way. They are the turkey puppies, and that's just how it is. And the guineas were brooded with them, so they've like imprinted on the turkeys. So if you notice where the turkeys are, the guineas are. They eat together, they sleep together. And the chickens were brooded. We brooded the chickens. We bought these from Wilco Farm and Feed, and we started brooding them right there in the coop, because like we're in a 30-foot fifth wheel and we just don't have that much room to brood inside. What in the world is that? Was that one of your fancy tomato plants? You should put that down in the compost. Oh, no, you should not. So you're cleaning in the greenhouse? Oh. But this one here is a character, Jerry. She's like Bob's little turkey puppy. And she'll sit up on his shoulder. She'll try to eat his finger. I was telling them about her being your little turkey puppy. He does turkey selfies with her. There, it's hilarious. I don't know how to put a little picture up in the video. If I did, I would show them. It's just absolutely hilarious. Yeah, these guys, they're so imprinted. Oh, wow, you really can see how purple they are. I didn't think they were royal purple when we first got them. But yeah, as they've gotten older, you can definitely see that they're purple. They're very pretty. I want to get some different breeds of guineas too. Anyhow, these midget whites, they are a heritage breed. And they were originally a cross between a royal palm and a broad-breasted white. And those broad-breasted whites, that's what I thought these guys were at first. And those, I wasn't happy, because those are bred strictly for meat. They have these huge breasts on them and stuff, and they make really good pets. They're friendly and everything, but they don't live that long because of how heavy their breasts are. These guys, different breed altogether. These were bred solely because they were small, but they never really caught on, so they almost went extinct. And now we have a pair. They're not a breeding pair yet because they're too young, but hopefully in the future they will be. And the other day we were coming up the driveway and we seen a big 4-point deer with his doe down in the way lower field. I'm just hoping our hunt happy neighbor that the deer stays up here, because they're safe here. We're not gonna hunt them. We don't hunt. I'm not a fan of venison anyhow. I would much rather have elk meat, and I'm not the world's biggest fan of that either. And we do get elk up here. So all those animals, they know they're safe here, and then they go down here to the orchard right there. I'm gonna have to have Bob probably go down there. I want him to go down and take a video of it. It's really quite a little orchard. But yeah, the beds are starting to get overgrown. He tilled up that bed so it can sit for the rest of the winter. Go stand next to that artichoke. Stand next to that artichoke. The thing is just like from Jurassic Park. And I want to do, I think, a line of them across where the bluff side is, over on the other side of the driveway where my green truck is parked. I think that would be really cool because the deer don't bother those at all. They just don't eat them. I think it's because they're a member of the thistle family. Are there any dandelions down that way that you can pick for them? I bet there are. Because I'm looking at some. Along the rocks. That's not a dandelion. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Can go in the compost here over the side. Rabbit tobacco, perhaps? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what that is. There's one here, too. There's some of them here. What is she getting over there?
Play with her ball.
Oh. I hope that wasn't like the borage I planted 2 years ago. There's something for the chickens right there.
That would be a fight.
Oh, I'm sure.
You're right there.
Ooh, I think this is about the longest video I've ever done. There you got a clear shot of the corral. I don't know as we're going to put anything in there because I know if we got pigs, we wouldn't be able to eat them. That's just how we are. I almost had a hard time eating eggs. But I certainly wouldn't have a hard time eating those artichokes, and that's a fact.
What is that you have? That's your ball.
But yeah, that's my oxygen tank. But anyway, that is gonna be nothing but a hot mess if it gets slick out. Yikes.
It's already a hot mess.
Is it? Have you fallen?
No.
Okay.
I can feel my foot sliding over. Tom. It's not turkey time yet, son.
Go make him unpuff real quick. Is he getting his black beard thing? Because he'll get a long black beard hanging down from like his chest.
He's already got it.
Oh, I haven't seen it yet.
Oh, it's popped out a few times. Tom.
Is she gonna get your fingers?
Quit running. Hey. By your corners.
Rose, quit. Oh, I see it. Yeah, it's not that long yet.
Him's a pretty guy. That's him.
Okay, it's starting.